Hey guys, what's up? Lavanya here. Welcome to Shift My Subconscious. A very warm namaste to you. I bow to the divinity in you. Now, along with manifestation and creating vision boards, did you know the size of the goal is very important? The size of the goal will decide will you have low blood pressure or low charge versus high blood pressure or pressure. What do I intend to say? So let me show you with an example because I think it'll be easier for you. Let's say if I give you a nervous system book. It's like a thin book with thick pages, and I give you a task. Listen, you. If you want to earn more money, you will have to master the concepts of nervous system. And firstly, what I've done is I have added excitement that if you do this, you will get more money. The second thing is look at the size, and I tell you that in next 10 days you will have to master these pages, and doesn't matter if you understand the concept or not, you will have to memorize it. So, for some people, even this will be too much, as all of us are different and we have our own limiting beliefs, bothering us, lowering our potential. And for some of you, will be like, my God, such an easy goal, I can do it. Now, if you think it's too easy, something else is going to happen. You may go slow on it. Probably, you may even think, I can easily prepare this in the last 3 days of those 10 days. Some of you who have self doubt stored or negative sensation stored for reading alone or presenting new ideas, meaning it's a minus file. Studying is a negative association, public speaking is a negative association, or there's underlying fear of being mocked or laughed or probably forgetting whatever you've learned. What's going to happen is probably you'll feel even 10 days are not enough. Now, let's say I give you these many books and I say you will have to prepare the notes from this in 2 days time and give it to me. Now this can create a pressure in a lot of people who don't read on daily basis, and what's going to happen is it's going to draw out positive energy from them and they will be under constant fear. So when a life coach and you together decide a goal, it has to be challenging and thrilling enough. At the same time, it should not hurt your subconscious mind. Your nervous system has a lot of things to do. Meanwhile, we have to create time for building healthy association, not only with the achievement of the goal, but you showing up as a different person in your reality. When you decide a goal, all your old files will get active. So let's say if you were not a person who read very well, probably you are a good reader, but the language is a barrier. The books are in English and you know Hindi, so it's going to be a minus file. So just by you deciding a goal alone doesn't mean the work is over, but a main part of the manifestation is over, which feels right in the body is a good goal to have. However, when you start to rewire yourself, you will meet the old demons from your past, and we will have to work on them bit by bit using probably CBT, maybe some techniques from NLP, hypnosis if you're comfortable with your coach, and we will rewire those and prune the old neural pathways. The life coaching can really help you achieve all your goals back to back with the way you want to. But you have to go with one goal or two goals at a time. Why? Like I said, your nervous system is really busy, and the process of you rewiring your mind is an energy expensive process. I was working with one of my clients who is 70 plus, and I had to literally, shorten the session for them because when I took him through the rewiring process, he said, it is so tiring, I cannot do it. The manifestation of the goal requires your focus. It requires a relaxed nervous system. The manifestation happens really well in alpha, meaning a relaxed state. The reading happens really well in alpha state. The rewiring happens really well there. The rewiring is happening throughout the day, but still. So know this, that the goal size is going to be very important in your manifestation journey and your money manifestation journey. Don't go for goals which are too big, which are too small. Now, mind you, once again reminding, it's okay to have a huge goal and expose your subconscious mind onto that number. However, we will have to chunk your goal into small term goal, mid term goal, and long term goal. So, with this, I will sign out. If you want to work on money manifestation, me and my friend Saraswati Bhasin will be conducting a webinar soon. It will be paid. You can DM me in the messenger or through my WhatsApp. Go through my website, there's some more material there. And there's still a lot of time left for this year to end. get busy working. And you are the one who has to work, you are the one who has to choose, and you are the one who will manifest. With this, Lavanya signing out. I wish you all the very best. Take care.